Well, I bought two convertible tops. One's a Robbins and one's a Sierra. I got the Robbins to go on the car I'm keeping, and I was going to sell another car, so I was going to put a Sierra top on it. And I promised to show what the difference is between the two. So I laid them out here. The first difference is the Sierra, being the cheaper one, comes with instructions. The Robbins, which is for professionals, no instructions, but you do get a bag of little stainless steel. I'm not sure what these are. They're not really rivets. It's like a button and a little rivet. I'm not sure how you'd upset those and install them. That was the obvious difference. I've been looking over these pretty carefully, and I can't see any difference in how they're made. They both have all the holes punched around the bottoms, the back skirt. Everything's all punched and ready to go on both of them. They have the same pockets. One difference is the glass. This rear glass on the Sierra has no frame, it's just kind of bare glass on the edge, and the heater strips are a little different. And on the Robbins, it's got this little tab out here and this little plastic frame. Not sure what the advantage of that might be, but when you look at what I'm always interested in is the finish on the outside. That edge right there, I think the Easy On has like a little plastic rim that goes all around, and this one just transitions straight from the cloth fabric to the glass, and they're both the same on the Sierra and the Robbins. Both these glasses are made by the same company, FUYAO. On the Robbins, the sticker's in the left-hand side, and on the Sierra, the sticker's on the right-hand side. And that's about it. Like I said, I've looked at all the little pieces of fabric, the vinyl, the Velcro strips, the holes that are punched. Everything's identical. It's got I lost it here. There we go. Put this down for a second. The little stainless steel spring. Little tension straps. There's the ear strap and another tension strap. They're identical on both tops. Just everything I can see is identical, except this is different. The Robbins, I paid $931 plus 62 shipping, so right at $990. The Sierra had free shipping with Amazon Prime, so I paid $765 with tax and shipping. So what's that? $8, $9, a little over $200 difference for the privilege of not having any instructions and getting a little bag of stainless steel and a different piece of glass. I don't really see how the glass is going to make any difference in durability, but there you have it.